Why most online businesses collapse after initial growth. A lot of online businesses grow quickly, then suddenly collapse. Suddenly, revenue drops, motivation disappears, and the business quietly dies. This doesn't happen because the market changes, it happens because the business was never structurally stable. Early growth can be dangerous. Why? Because growth hides weaknesses. When there is sudden growth or early growth, traffic spikes, sales happen, excitement builds. But underneath that excitement, there is often no system, no operational infrastructure. The business depends on constant content, emotional motivation, manual efforts, unpredictable traffic. That's not a scalable business. That is a temporary momentum wave. When that wave fades, everything collapses. Scalable businesses are built differently. They rely on repeatable systems, structured conversion, predictable execution. In that wise, growth becomes controlled, not accidental. The goal is not growth, the goal should be stable growth. And stability only comes from structure. How do we bridge the gap? If you are ready to operate with structure instead of momentum, next step is below: selective applications only.